Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can change the wallpaper in your device Galaxy M13. So if in this device, if you want to change the wallpaper, like whether you want to change the wallpaper of the home screen or the lock screen, you can easily do it just by following the few tips that I will show you in this video. So before we jump into the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the complete video and you will learn all about how you can change the wallpaper in your device. Let's watch the video.